Hey guys, I just got my package of Groundies urban barefootwear and I'm really excited. It was held up in customs for a month, so I've been waiting a long time for these. Groundies is a German brand and they also have an Amazon shop, so in the future I might try that so that I can avoid the customs. But when I ordered these back like 6 weeks ago, the Amazon shop hadn't opened yet. Alright, so I got two styles. The first is the Sydney, which is a vegan sneaker. I got the baby blue, and I got a size 37. So I have one other pair of Groundies boots, so I already knew that's 37 fit me well. 37 is the size I wear in most brands for sneakers. Oh. And these are really nice. And the color is perfect. On to the next. The other shoe I got is a boot, the Liverpool. And I am very excited about these because they look similar to another style of boot that I've been wanting to wear. Looks like a good size, really flexible. This one is leather. The Sydney is a vegan sneaker. It has the look and feel of leather, so it'll wash off pretty easily. It looks a little dressier than a canvas sneaker, but it is 100% vegan. The sole is really flexible. I can squish it up and roll it up really easily. It has padding on the tongue and around the heel, so these are generally seem like they would be good for lower volume feet. There is no removable insole, but the shoes did come with an extra pair of laces. Overall, they look super cute and I'm really excited about them. The Liverpool is a leather boot. It's made with a really nice soft nubuck. It looks to be really well made from what I can tell so far. It has nice contrast stitching and pull tab at the back, heavy duty laces, and metal grommets. The sole is really flexible. Even though the shoe is well made, it can be rolled up really nicely. Around the ankle is padded for a nice close fit. The lining is microfiber, not leather. It does not come with a removable insole either. Overall, also super excited about them. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all my other barefoot shoe reviews and head over to aniesreviews.com for the full written review.